Since 1971, the Ballarat Tramway Museum has collected almost every single type of tram that operated in Ballarat. Some have been restored and carry passengers. Others are under restoration by our team of skilled volunteers. But there's one tram that for many years has not been represented in the collection. A tram that has always created a vital missing link to the story of Ballarat's trams. Until now. Tram 34 was built in 1918 and commenced its working life in Melbourne. In 1945 it was sold second-hand and commenced its second working life in Ballarat. In 1971 it was one of the last trams to operate over Ballarat's tramway network. Afterwards, it was acquired by the Adelaide Tramway Museum and was one of the trams to open the museum in 1974. In recent years though, it has spent some time in storage and has become surplus to the Adelaide Tramway Museum's requirements. Tram 34 is known as a bogie tram. There are two types of bogie trams that operate in Ballarat, distinguished by their door and window arrangements. Tram 40 is one type of bogie tram that operated in Ballarat and has always been in the collection of the Ballarat Tramway Museum. But we've never had an example of the other type. Tram 34 is of the other type, and the Adelaide Tramway Museum have kindly offered to return this tram to the Ballarat Tramway Museum, but we need your help. We need to raise $50,000 in order to perform the necessary electrical, structural and mechanical works to make Tram 34 presentable again. Afterwards, it will be available for rides along the museum's tram line through the Ballarat Botanical Gardens. It will also be placed on display in our new purpose-built facility alongside many other heritage trams from Ballarat, Geelong and Melbourne. By donating to this cause, you will be helping to bring home one of the types of trams that carried many thousands of passengers across Ballarat's tramway network for nearly 26 years. You will be helping to add a vital missing piece of the puzzle to the collection of trams in preservation by the Ballarat Tramway Museum, which operated in the city from 1887 until 1971. So be part of Ballarat Tramway history and help bring Tram 34 home.